Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Normally I make cooking videos, but these days the weather is nice. Try to show you outside as well. And this particular video, it is for the car repair. This is Mercedes E-Class, and as usual, when I try to use the aircon in the summer, it's not working. So I think the gas is low because when I turn it on, the compressor is making a squeaky noise, and there's no gas in the compressor. I think so. So we're gonna try it. Rather than taking it to the garage and paying a hefty bill, I bought these couple of things. One is the nozzle for the to go on the compressor pipe, and this is the gas bottle. So it cost me about £30, and it's worth investing. You don't have to buy this nozzle every time you do the job. So we're gonna give it a go. At the moment there's no error showing, but the air is hot. So we're gonna pop up the bonnet and see what's happening in there. I've popped up the bonnet. As you can see, these are the pipes coming out of the compressor. I've located the low pressure pipe, which is a bit fatter one. See, this thin one is high pressure. So I'm going to connect the nozzle on this pipe, and we'll see the pressure. See, pressure at the moment, it will be showing quite high because engine is not ticking, plus the aircon is not on. So we'll go inside the car, turn the aircon on and turn the engine on as well to see the correct pressure. See, at the moment it's showing more than like probably in the danger zone. So we turn the engine on, and we'll start filling. Make sure the bottle is upside down and keep shaking as well. Keep looking at the gauge. When it shows full, probably in the middle of blue line, that means it's done. See, the pipe is getting cooler now, so that means something is happening. We'll go back inside, check for the cool air. Yeah, I can feel the cool air coming in now. So guys, this is how you fill the gas into the air conditioning of a Mercedes. I made another video on a Peugeot 107. You can have a look on that as well. I will put the link in description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.